stranger around. He kept me up when I was coming down.
Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I want to give you a very simple adjustment you could make to your MACD settings, which might make your MACD trading more effective. Now, right now I'm looking at the S&P 500 index, and it is the 1 minute candlestick chart. Each of these candles represents 1 minute of price action, but what I'll be talking about today could possibly be applied to other time frames. So you'll want to test it out yourself with demo or virtual trading before you try it for real. Okay, make sure you test it out, please. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the MACD here, and I have it on the standard settings. And you notice that the lines, the MACD line and the signal line are kind of close together. It's hard to even tell them apart so much sometimes, okay? And I don't like to have them so close together necessarily. It's hard to tell when the crossover happens. Yes, you have the MACD histogram to help you understand when the crossover or cross under is happening, but still, I like to be able to see it on the two lines, okay? And so you've got the blue MACD line and the yellow signal line, and again, they're kind of close together, sometimes really practically on top of each other. Now, it might help to zoom in. Okay, zooming in can help, but only a little bit. All right, so if you like a little bit more space between them, that can really help you to see what's going on, rather than having to rely on the histogram to tell you about when the crossover or cross under is happening, because a lot of people like to buy with the MACD. For example, they might buy when the MACD line goes above the signal line, and then they might sell when the MACD line goes below the signal line. But if they're too close to each other, it's really hard to tell sometimes, okay? So I'm going to go to the settings. And by the way, the platform that I'm using right now is called Prime XBT. And I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment, so stick around for that. But as you can see, the MACD settings are on 12, 26, and 9. And in a moment, I'm going to explain what those three numbers mean really quickly as a review, and then I'm going to tell you which one you can change very, very easily to maybe create some more space between those two lines to help possibly to improve your MACD strategy. So check it out. I've told you about Prime XBT and the amazing trading platform, but do you know about co-vesting or copy trading? You should try it, only on Prime XBT. The link is in the description below this video. All you do is sign up and then hit that co-vesting tab, and you can see the leaderboard right there. It features the 5-star rating system and a fully transparent global leaderboard. It's for less experienced traders or investors who wouldn't otherwise trade, as well as for skilled traders. It's a peer-to-peer copy trading system. The ROI can change, so paying attention to risk and success metrics is a must. And it's stress-free trading, better than holding. Now, how does copy trading work on co-vesting? Co-vesting enables users to follow any of the available strategies listed on the global rating system. Followers select a safe and profitable strategy to follow and add equity in just a few clicks. The platform lets followers follow several strategies at once to build a profit-generating portfolio of professional traders. Strategy managers trade with the power of their own equity, combined with the added equity invested by followers, bolstering ROI synergistically. So how do you access the co-vesting module? The co-vesting copy trading module is available for free on Prime XBT to all users by visiting the co-vesting tab within the internal account dashboard right there. But of course, you have to sign up first, and you can use the link in the description below this video to do that. Alternatively, users can visit primexbt.com/co-vesting to learn more. Now, how do you become a 5-star co-vesting trader? 1 star each is awarded for first, depositing or earning 0.5 BTC by trading; second, trading at least 30 out of 60 days; third, keeping a margin allocation from following below 60% within a 30-day period; fourth, maintaining a 70 to 30 win to loss ratio; and fifth, bringing trading turnover over 50 BTC within a 30-day time period. Are there any risks associated with co-vesting? Well, all trading carries risk. Therefore, users should be careful to never invest more than you can afford to comfortably lose. Odds of losses decrease with higher ranked traders or those with a clear track record of success. And be sure to check out the revolutionary new copy trading module, which allows you to easily replicate the strategies of successful traders with a proven track record. Now, how do you get involved? You can sign up today with the link in the description below this video. Use the promo code MODEL50, that's MOADEL50, for a 50% deposit bonus of up to 1 BTC. And please note that this does not work in co-vesting. So we're back, and right now I'm showing you the MACD settings on the standard settings, the default settings. And you can change all of these. And here's how you calculate the MACD line. You would, on the standard settings, you would take the 12-period EMA, or exponential moving average, and then you would subtract the 26-period EMA, or exponential moving average. And that's how you would calculate the MACD line. Now, what about the signal line? Well, you calculate the signal line by taking the 9-period EMA, exponential moving average, of the MACD line on the standard settings. All right, but you can change all these, and as we saw before, the two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, were on top of each other sometimes, and it's hard to really see any space between them, and that can make it more difficult to use the MACD. And so what you can do to create a little bit more space between the MACD line and the signal line, you can increase this number. All right. Again, on the default setting, it's the 9-period EMA of the MACD line in order to get the signal line. But what if you increased that? What if you made it the, let's say, the 12-period exponential moving average of the MACD line to get the signal line? All right. What would that look like? Let's take a look. Now, I see more space between them. I definitely see more space between them. All right. And so now you can more clearly see the blue line here, which is the MACD line, and the yellow line here, which is the signal line. All right. And so now you're not relying on the histogram as much to tell you when one crossed over or under the other. Okay. And that could be very, very useful. Now, what if you want a little bit more space between them? That's fine. You would go back to the settings, and you can increase this EMA even more. Okay, you can make it, let's say, even 15. That might be a little too much. Okay, actually, it's not too bad. It's still workable. Okay, and come to think of it, looking at it now, the 15 certainly isn't bad at all. All right, you don't want to make it too much. All right, if you made it too high, then the lines would rarely even cross each other, okay? And you don't want that either, all right? You want them to cross each other frequently enough that you have enough trading opportunities. You have enough crossovers to get in and out of your trades if you're going to use these two lines, okay? So 15 is not bad. If you want them a little closer, maybe consider 12. But really, in virtual or demo trading, you can mess around and play around with the numbers all you want without any really bad consequences, okay? So consider trying out putting a little bit more space between those two lines by changing that third number from 9 maybe to a slightly higher number, okay? And again, I'm using Prime XBT as the trading platform here. It was really easy to adjust those settings as much as you want. So check it out. The link is in the description below this video. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.
Stranger around, he kept me up when